routine for you guys, and I'm going to show you 5 steps that I use, which is pretty much cleanse, exfoliate, tone, serum, and moisturize. So that's the 5 steps that I use to cleanse my face, because great beauty starts with great skincare and self-care and self-love and the whole shebang. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can get all the updates and all the videos when I upload them. Let you know that I'm here. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because I want to see you come back. All right, let me get into it, and have a good day. Bye. So while I'm running the water to the correct temperature that I want it to be, which is lukewarm, to cleanse my face, I'm using the Ole Henriksen Transforming Walnut Scrub, which is usually pretty good for getting rid of uneven skin tone, as well as hyperpigmentation and uneven skin texture as well, because as you can see, I have bags underneath my eyes. I have dry skin underneath my eyes as well, and I have dark spots and hyperpigmentation on my chin area and my forehead. So another tip is always go from the inside of your face towards the outside, so you can prevent fine lines and wrinkles, because even though I'm almost about to be 30, I don't need to create those prematurely. So I'm about to go back in to rinse my face. The water was turned off prior to me actually cleansing my face, because I'm trying to save water even though I don't have to pay a water bill. However, I try to be self-conscious to other places who actually have water issues, or not even water issues, just are very particular about about water, especially in California. I know that water is very precious, especially during the dry season. So I usually just have the sink filled with water. I only turn it on when I'm actually rinsing my face. This goes for brushing your teeth too. Now I'm about to be into step 2, because after I've cleansed and exfoliated my face, I try to go into my other cleanser, which I'm using the Ole Henriksen Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. This is a new cleanser, and it has orange fruit water and PHA in it. And I use this just to, cleanse my face from any leftover dirt, oil, makeup that could be in my skin, because self-care is the best care. And I want to make sure that my skin has a flawless, smooth, baby, bouncy butt type of feel when I apply my makeup, because I don't want to apply any makeup, or even just have regular smooth skin. I don't want to apply any makeup on top of uneven, already caked up, dirty skin. So that's why I'm using the Ole Henriksen Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. And the cleanser I used before that was by Fresh, and I used a soy cleanser, but I don't think it removed as much of the impurities that I needed. So I went to something a little bit stronger. While I'm continuing to rinsing my face for the second time, I'm actually about to dry my face off with a paper towel. And I do paper towels because they're biodegradable. Also because I don't want to use the same washcloth that I use for my body, one that's gross and very, 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 very non-hygienic. Also, I don't want to use a washcloth because some washcloths are very rough for the skin, and that creates micro tears, it creates wrinkles and fine lines, and I don't want that. So I always try to use a paper towel in order to dry my skin off. Also, I try to use either a cotton pad or a paper towel to actually tone my face. I don't have cotton pads in this video. However, I usually use cotton pads or cotton balls to tone. But I use a paper towel, and I don't rub my face with it. I usually try to pat because, again, fine lines and wrinkles, we try to avoid them. And the toner I'm using is by Fresh, and I'm using the Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. And it has rose fruit extract because it removes impurities and softens. And I'm using the Deep Hydration Toner in the winter because I have very dry skin in the winter. I don't drink enough water. Don't judge me. I drink more tea and coffee because that's my estilo. Don't judge me. But even if I did drink plenty of water, my skin is just very dry, especially underneath my eye and near my forehead area. So I try to give it a little bit more extra oomph with the Deep Hydration Toner. And in the summer, I actually change toners as well because my face is more oily than it is in the winter. It's oily in the summer than it is in winter. Now, since I've toned, I actually want to brighten. And as you can see, I still have bags underneath my eyes because I didn't get enough sleep that night before. So I'm going to use my Firma Day Serum, which is to firm and brighten. Again, I want a smooth finish. I want that baby but smooth bottom skin. And I use this serum about 2 to 3 pumps. And I don't use it every day. I usually use it every other day because, one, even though I have the trial size, a little goes a long way, especially with the consistency. It's not, it has a lot of slip in it, but it's not like water. So a little goes a long way. And who has $88 right now to buy the big bottle? So I use a travel size. And as you can see, my skin already looks a lot brighter, especially underneath my eye and in the forehead area. And that was step 4. Last but not least, I'm using the Water Bank Hydro Moisturizer. Because again, even though I am dry, I need a little extra zhuzh, a little extra moisture. And most of my foundations has a soft matte consistency. And I don't want it to be super dry looking underneath a already dry skin. So I just add a little bit extra moisture to that. And again, I use a travel size because it actually came in a set and I use with what I have. I may get the bigger size later on, but I don't use a lot of the moisturizer because it gives me a shiny look. I want to be moisturized, not oily and shiny. So I use just a little bit, about maybe a dime to a nickel size, period. Thank you for joining me. That's my 5 steps of my skincare.